Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one Indian rhythm. It is also called the Keherwa Taal. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1, and a 1, and a 1, E and a 1, E and 1. Let's break it down now. We will play the first beat on the bass of our Congo like this 1, and then we will play and on the high tom 1 and after that we will play the high tom and mid tom together like this 1 and one more time 1 and we will repeat this and pattern two more times like this 1 and after that, we will play and on the bass and on the high tom. Now the complete rhythm will sound like this. 1 and and a 1 and a 1 and a 1 E and 1. So that's all for the today's lesson, and now I want you to practice this rhythm on your Congo. And if you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.